Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Join me, let's make this delicious and yummy liver recipe, peppered liver recipe. Let's get started. Yeah, I've got some pieces of frozen cow liver. So just go ahead, add some onions and some seasonings. I'm using curry powder, thyme, ginger, and garlic powder, bay leaf, and also some seasoning powder. I'll add some water to it since it is frozen, so it doesn't have any water, to allow it to cook in it. After a while, I'll stir to separate the liver and then continue to cook. After stirring and separating it, I'll cover the pot again and allow it to cook until well cooked. After cooking the liver, the next thing I'll do is to grill it, but you can also fry this if you wish to. And here are the peppers and the onions I'll be using for the sauce. So I'll just go ahead, wash and prepare it. And our liver is well grilled now. Our pepper is also ready, so let's make the sauce. Into my dry pot, I'll add just little oil because the liver is not much. Add some salt when it is hot enough and some onions and stir fry. Next, I'll add the peppers and continue to stir fry. I'll cover and allow it to fry for about 2 minutes on low heat. I just added some dry vegetables which I have in the house and a half teaspoon of seasoning powder. I'll stir together and then add the grilled liver. I just added more onions. I'll mix together, then cover and allow it to cook for about 30 seconds and our peppered liver is ready. We can also call it peppered liver and onion. Peppered and onion liver. And here we have it, looking delicious. So the next thing is to serve it and enjoy. You can enjoy this as a side dish or with any drink of your choice. This tasted so yummy, so delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Look at how delicious it's looking. That is also how delicious it is. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye. Come have your own. Pick one. Pick one.